Welcome to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we'll learn how to insert tables and format them for clear and professional results. Let's start with the basics. Go to the Insert tab, click Table, and drag your mouse over the grid to choose how many rows and columns you want. Click, and the table appears in your document. You can make maximum of 7 columns and 6 rows. You can also draw your own table by choosing Draw Table. To do that, click on one corner of the table, don't release the mouse button. Drag it to the other corner and then release the mouse button. Now to draw column, click on the top side of the table and drag it downward to the other border vertically. To make a row, click on left or right border and drag to opposite side. You can also make a table if you have data separated by commas or tabs. Just select the text, go to Insert, Table and click Convert Text to Table, and Word will organize it into columns and rows. Whenever you select a table or the cursor is inside that table, 2 contextual ribbons appear. One is Table Design and the other is Table Layout. We will discuss Layout ribbon in next video. For now, let us explore Table Design. The first thing you'll notice in the Design tab is the Table Style Options group. These checkboxes control how different parts of your table are formatted. For example, Header Row applies special formatting to the first row, making it stand out as a heading. Total Row applies a distinct style to the last row, often used for totals or summaries. Banded rows and banded columns alternate shading between rows or columns, making the table easier to read. You can also highlight the first column or last column to emphasize important data. These options are quick switches that instantly change the look of your table. Next, we move to the Table Styles group. This is where you can apply a complete style to your table with a single click. Word comes with many pre-built designs, combining borders, shading, and colors. Simply hover over a style to preview it on your table, and click to apply. This is one of the fastest ways to make a plain table look polished. If you want more control, use the Shading and Borders tools in the Borders group. With shading, you can apply background colors or patterns to selected cells, rows, or the entire table. This is useful for highlighting key information or grouping related data. Borders let you control the lines around your cells. You can choose which borders to apply, adjust line style, thickness, and even color. For example, you might use a thick border around the entire table and thinner lines inside. The Draw Borders section takes it even further. Here, you can manually draw or erase table lines. Select a border style, line weight, and color, then use your cursor to draw new borders directly on the table. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Microsoft Word lessons.